Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're all going to the Khekranala Dam, all cousins, family together. It's 7 o'clock in the morning on a bright and amazing Saturday. And here we go! Was that so hard now? The mandatory stop for photos in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely unbothered. Eating nachos in the morning at 7 o'clock. Beautiful place we have here. Lovely day.
Really beautiful.
Hey everyone, editing Manank here. While we enjoy the scenic route, I just want to point out that if you ever make a plan like this with your family or friends and your loved ones, if you ever go for such picnics, please don't litter. The amount of trash that we've seen in this entire trip is just abysmal. So if we don't make an effort to pick up the trash, at least let's not partake in further littering the beautiful nature that is around us. So just a small message from the editing scenes. Okay, let's enjoy the rest of the vlog. We've reached Khekranala Dam. It sounds so weird to say. Khekranala Dam.
It sounds like kekda. I'm not totally sure what it means, but I think it's a spider.
Khekra is a crab, right?
No, I think it's a scorpion.
Okay, editing scenes. Put here what it actually means here somewhere on my head. We could have taken a whole video of this trip walking.
Would I agreed for this?
You know where we're going to sit right now? It's somewhere about here.
Wow.
Transition.
Amazing. This is so pretty.
We are now walking in a forest woods type ka area opposite the Khekranala Dam, and I'll switch around the camera to show you everyone. It was about an hour and a half drive from Civil Lines, Hislop College, and the road was pretty smooth for the most part. So yeah, pretty amazing. That's a really nice place for a photo.
इधर से पानी पौधे भी हैं. No photos वाला. You can put your hand on this rock.
There's a time and place for everything, and I'm happy right now. And you know, if I had to take a photo of my life, and if there was a screenshot to represent my entire life, I think this would be it. With my family around, with me sitting here being content, being happy, looking at a lake, a beautiful forest, the woods, and I realized that no physical relocation of a place can make you happy. It's just that you have to ooze it inside of you. You have to bring it out from within, because it's there within, it's there with every single one of us. I've seen people with shitty lives be happy. I've seen that. So I know that status cannot make you happy. Why do all the people who are rich say that money doesn't make you happy? Why do all of them say that? we've been equipped with everything that we need. It's just our mentality towards it and our perception of life that actually determines. It's actually a positive feedback loop if you think about it, because if you're happy, you're more likely to do good things for others. If you're more likely to do good things for others, you're more likely to have different opportunities open for you, and that may lead to a better life. So eventually, being happy, being positive, being good, having love ooze out of you is what is actually going to make you richer in every sense of the word. In every sense of the word. Constant moving from one place to another, constant on the go is not going to allow you to escape yourself. So you have this one life, you have this short life, which you don't know when it's going to end, and you don't know whether it has meaning, which is why you have to help excavate the meaning yourself, and you have to help excavate meaning for others around you, because that's what life is. There's behind the scenes of me vlogging, but yeah, it doesn't take away the seriousness of this conversation that Boa just said, Shivang, if you fall, the earth is going to move. So yeah, you have to be true to yourself. You have to be genuine, authentic. Because if you're not, it's gonna show. It's gonna show eventually. If not in front of the camera, if not in front of the friends or family, it is going to make itself prominent in the face of the mirror. When you look into yourself, you will see yourself, and you can't escape that. You can never escape that. You can't escape the bad things that you've been given, but you have to make the most of it, because that's all there is. And this is it. This is it. It sounds very cliche, but as I said, this is it. This is all we have. This is who we are. This is us humans on this tiny planet. And all these philosophies that we've thought about, all these things that we're told in school, all these paths that we're told to take in life, we're on this tiny planet, just roaming around and feeling happy about that. Galactic distances are huge, but then so is the Earth for a caterpillar.
The best part of this was we did not take any pictures at all. Bas, thank you.
Oswald, उसमें याद है वो पेंगुइन क्या बोलता था? इसे कहते हैं जिंदगी.